cook these things.
Ready? Here we go, guys. Happy Super Bowl Sunday. Apple chicken sausage with chicharron de pollo barbacoa. Cut up barbecue chicken on the big green egg. Fueled up today with Fogo. Let's go Bengals. All right, we're back. Let the smoke clear a little bit. Up top, we're gonna cook these a little bit longer to go a little bit more crispy in the tradition of the chicharron. And down here on the bottom, I'm actually gonna put these in a pan shortly, cover them, sauce them, and just let them simmer and come to a nice flavor with the barbecue sauce. Then we're gonna take them back out and let them glaze. Howdy, folks. You know what time it is. It's game time. Super Bowl Sunday. We're out back. We got a little bit of everything going today. We got chicharron de pollo, basically cut up barbecue chicken, cut up into small little pieces. Traditionally, it's fried sometimes, real crispy, but I got them on the grill. We did a queso, ground beef queso dip, and we got some chicken apple sausage. Check this out. We got smoke in there. We're on the big green egg today. So we're going crispy at the top. On the bottom, we're gonna let these run a little while longer, along with our sausage here. Sausage will be coming off shortly. We're gonna sauce and glaze these, put them in a pan with some of Aunt Sarah's best barbecue sauce. And we're just gonna keep it going. 2 hours from kickoff. What are you guys doing? Put it in the description, comments below. What you got working today?